Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, I am back with a new video. This video is totally different, not about Pi Network, not about any Pi Network updates. This is about crypto exchange. This is about partnership. This is about $800,000 prize pool. How to participate in here, how to win those prizes, the whole thing I will cover inside this video. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, Crystal Project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So this is the crypto exchange, TooBit. TooBit is one of the best, even I can say, award-holding crypto exchange in this market. You know about Bybit, you know about Upbit. This is TooBit. So TooBit is exchange, I can say same like Binance, same like Bybit, same like Upbit, same like KuCoin, same like OKX. In here you can start trading. In here you can start purchasing any coin, investment, simply creating account. So in here you can create account, whether sign up, whether log in. Deposit in here, start your trading, even I can say start your investment. So okay, the interesting point is in here a partnership of TooBit with La Liga. You know, La Liga is one of the famous, one of the popular league of football championship. So those who play football, those who watching football, so they know what is La Liga. So TooBit partnership with La Liga in here, if we check this page, this is the thing. Win 800,000 prize pool. This is the prize pool of this partnership. You know, this partnership is not a small partnership. One of the big partnership with La Liga. La Liga is not a small champion league. This is one of the big champion league in the football category, in the football industry. So how to win $800,000? Although in here you can check the Twitter account. Inside the Twitter account, you can see you're just listing coin day by day. You can see this one is sport fund just listed in here. And then now we have the next one, if you scroll down, Fogo, and then we have NDU. So this exchange is just listing the coin inside their platform. So it means that if you know about trading, if you can do future trading, so simply start with this platform. Somehow sounds good. Even about this partnership, you can check this article. TooBit and La Liga kicks off $800,000 Elite Championship. So you can check this article, you can read this article, how to join in here, how to participate, how to win those prize pools. But inside this video, I will tell you because I'm here to guide you about this. So register now. The first thing, in order to participate in this prize pool, you have to create account. The link is below in the description. Simply click on the link. Create account in here. Same like Binance, same like OKX, same like KuCoin. The same thing, the same steps. So once you create account, and then easily you can participate in this prize pool. Okay. So the thing is, there are different prize pool. If I show you in here, you can see this is, I can say the prize pool, or I can say the bonus. This is all the bonus. Check in here. La Liga match tickets, TooBit or La Liga football, La Liga sign merchandise, La Liga jersey, so many more things. This is the task for users, those who want to participate in this prize pool. Okay, so first deposit. If you deposit in here, you will get one draw chance. So sign up on TooBit and deposit $30 to earn one draw chance. And then the next one, first futures trade. If you complete your first future trade, you will get another draw chance. And then first spot trade, you will get another one. It means that three draw chance. The more you get the chance, the more you win this prize pool. So simply click on the register now and then make sure deposit in here using the link below in description. Otherwise, you cannot participate in this prize pool. This is the daily task. Spot trading, one draw, two draw, one draw. So there are three draws if you start spot trading. And then the next one, futures trading. It means that continue the future trading up to $5,000. for esport, $500. Copy trading, $500. So this is another chance you will get the draw. So and then we have limited time task, earn subscriptions, futures grid, we have futures BCA, and then we have referrals. So this is the thing. So this is the whole thing how to participate in here. It's not difficult. I don't want to make it complicated. Once you create an account, once you jump to this page, easily you can complete the task. Easily you can understand what to do, how to do, and how to win this prize pool. If you is still confused about this, let me know in the comment section. Further, you can check this article. Inside this article, you can get everything. Okay, the thing is, TooBit. TooBit is one of the best future trading in this crypto market. I can say this is not much popular like Binance, like Bybit, like KuCoin, but I'm sure this is one of the best exchange. You can find several crypto coins in here, like about 1,000 cryptocurrencies. So make sure check in here, check this website, check this exchange, check the price pool, check the Twitter account, the whole thing. So this is all about TooBit partnership with Liga and the 800,000 prize pool. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. What think about this? I hope you understand this video. Smash the like button. 21 time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video. Goodbye. See you.